Hello guys. After completing JEE Advance, my mind was like, I can still remember the first day of my college. Oops. The first video lecture of my college. And after some days, as usual, went on. Finally, after so many days, I started going to my offline college. But soon, I realized that my syllabus was over. Yes, the whole teaching part was completed and revision has started. But I didn't even open the book. The first week was like hell. I have realized that if I continue in this way, I will definitely fall behind. I was getting like 60 in my mates. Don't ask about advance.
Emotional, damn it!
I thought I would fail, and at the same time, I got demoted to the next batch. Things changed. Yes, I got serious about it. See, the best tip I can give you is to set a perfect routine or system. I have structured my day perfectly and picked the work to be done properly. I used to do it every day before going to the bed, and believe me, it helped me a lot. And the second thing is PYQ. Man, you just have to do it. I followed this process sincerely for a quite long time and ended up scoring 150 in my mains. I knew these marks would mean nothing, and the class topper is about 100 marks ahead of me. I thought I was missing something important. Yes, I finally knew it. I've tried my best to correct it. If you want me to talk more about it, comment below. My preparation was not 100% complete, but I went to the exam with high confidence. It definitely made a huge difference. In those 3 hours, my brain was working at its full capacity. Super fast. I can see the time running out. Only 1 minute left. I was checking all my answers. The time is up. At that moment, my mind was pretty quiet. For the next 1 hour, I was lost in my thoughts. Yes, no need to study late at night. No need to write 3 exams a week. No need to worry about the marks anymore. Yes, the exam is finally over. So the last thing I want to say is to believe in yourself. However your preparation might be up to this point, it is far less important than how you actually give your exam. If you can give your best in your exam, you will crack it.